Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome back to the channel where we make online dating a breeze. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to activate Boost on Tinder in 2025. If you're tired of swiping endlessly without many matches, Tinder Boost is your secret weapon. It temporarily boosts your profile to the top of everyone's stack for 30 minutes, giving you up to 10 times more visibility. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Tinder app installed on your phone. Tinder updates its features regularly, so this is crucial for 2025. Once you're all set, open the app and log in to your account. Now, head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the top left or right corner, depending on your device. Next, scroll down and look for the Boost option under the Explore or Features section. If you don't see it, you might need to upgrade to Tinder Plus, Gold, or Platinum. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Tap on Boost, and you'll be prompted to select how many boosts you want to buy. Prices vary, but it's usually around $3 to $5 per boost in 2025, depending on your location and promotions. After selecting, hit Purchase, and complete the payment through your preferred method, like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or credit card. Once that's done, you're ready to activate. Simply tap the Activate Boost button and watch your profile soar. Pro tip: use it during peak hours, like evenings or weekends, when more people are swiping, to maximize your matches. Remember, Boost lasts just 30 minutes, so make the most of it by having a killer profile pic and bio ready. If you run into any issues, check Tinder's Help Center or contact support. There you have it. That's how you activate Boost on Tinder in 2025. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how many matches you score. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more dating tips. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping.